वेलकम टू अतरिक्ष एकेडमी। आज का टॉपिक है ब्लड। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज ब्लड? ब्लड क्या है? ब्लड इज ए फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एंड इट प्रेजेंट थ्रू आउट द बॉडी एंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ब्लड इज अबाउट 5.5 लीटर इन ए नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग। ठीक है, नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग का वॉल्यूम, ब्लड का वॉल्यूम है 5.5 लीटर। नेक्स्ट, ब्लड का कंपोजिशन। मेनली ब्लड कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, दैट इज प्लाज्मा एंड फॉर्म्ड एलिमेंट्स। ओके, प्लाज्मा एंड फॉर्म्ड एलिमेंट्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज प्लाज्मा. Plasma is a colorless liquid and straw color, and 55% of blood constitute the plasma. Out of the plasma, 92% is water and 6 to 8% is proteins. And proteins are necessary for various functions. Let us discuss about one by one. First, fibrinogens. Fibrinogen is a protein which help in clotting of blood, clotting or coagulation of blood. Next protein is globulins, which control the defense mechanism of the body. And the next protein is albumins, which control the osmotic balance or water balance in the body. So these are the proteins which help in various functions. And the total proteins is 6 to 8%. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर प्रेजेंट इन प्लाज्मा इन इनएक्टिव फॉर्म्स। इसका मतलब है ब्लड क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर प्लाज्मा में है बट इट इज प्रेजेंट इन इनएक्टिव फॉर्म। नेक्स्ट, प्लाज्मा विदाउट क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर इज कॉल्ड सेरम. Serum is also a very important part. And the serum, what is serum? Plasma without clotting factors. That means coagulating or clotting factors are absent in serum. So these are all about plasma. Next part is formed elements, and it is very important. That is, formed elements are three types: RBC, WBC, platelets, and there are other names also. RBC is also known as erythrocytes, WBC is also known as leukocytes, and the platelets are also known as thrombocytes. These are the corpuscles or cells present in the blood. First is RBC. देखो, what is RBC? RBC is red color due to presence of hemoglobin. And the volume of the RBC in total blood is 5.5 million mmq. Okay, 5.5 million, that means 5,50,000. And it is formed in the bone marrow. Inside the bone marrow, RBCs are formed or created, and it is red, that is presence of hemoglobin. And hemoglobin contains a red color pigment or element, that is iron. Okay, iron, due to the presence of iron or red color iron, hemoglobin, the color of the blood is red. And in a human being, 12 to 16 gram of hemoglobin is present, and it is responsible for red color. Next, the lifespan of RBC is about 120 days, and it is destroyed in spleen, the graveyard of RBC. After the completion of life cycle, RBCs are destroyed in a structure, that is spleen. It is also known as graveyard of RBC. So these are all about red blood cells or red blood corpuscles. Next, WBC, that is white blood cells. These are colorless. Due to colorless, it is called white. Next, the WBC count in blood is about 6,000 to 8,000 mmq. Okay, 6,000 to 8,000, very less quantity. And WBC are mainly classified into two types, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes is again divided into three types: neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Agranulocytes are again classified into two types, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. Overall, WBC are of 5 types. And out of these five, very important is lymphocyte, which form the immune system of the human being. Okay, immune system forms the lymphocytes, and there are two types of lymphocytes, that is B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes. Next platelets. It is also known as thrombocytes. Okay, and the platelets are formed in a special cells which is present in the bone marrow, that is megakaryocytes. From the megakaryocytes, thrombocytes are formed or released, and in blood 1.5 to 5 lakh mm3. Matlab the quantity of the platelets or platelet count in the blood is 1.5 to 5 lakhs, and it is helpful in clotting or coagulation. Okay, platelets are play very important role in clotting or coagulation of blood. ठीक है, so these are all about blood, and it is the basic idea about the blood. Okay, thank you.